So lupus is a disease that has incredible unmet need. I think of probably all the inflammatory diseases we treat in rheumatology, it's the one that has the least treatment options, the fewest treatment options. Only one drug's been approved in the UK in the last 50 years or so, and even then there's still a huge requirement for drugs for patients that fail treatment otherwise. And so with the award from the ELP funding, I want to look at a particular cell type in lupus called the PDC, or the plasmacytoid dendritic cell. And these are cells whose main job is to produce interferon, normally in response to viral infection. So whenever we get a virus, flu, COVID for example, these PDCs respond to the nucleic acid, to the RNA and DNA that are unique to viruses, and trigger the production of something called interferon. So when you've got a cold, you've got flu, you're going to feel terrible, and part of that is due to interferon production. And in lupus, that's a major driver of disease. But we want to look at and understand how this particular cell type gets its energy, its metabolism, and then think about this as a way to treat disease. And in particular, we want to try and understand how these cells, these PDC cells, deal with what they can't digest. So cells, when they're starved or stressed or hungry, have undergo a process called autophagy. But we think that in lupus, this process is going wrong. And that's again a theme of the research program I want to undertake with the ELP funding. This funding is potentially a game changer for me. This is about supporting a novel area of research, taking something in my lab forward that we wouldn't have the chance to otherwise. And that's really important in developing my own career as a scientist, but also taking us into new areas of science that we wouldn't have been able to fund such an easy way otherwise.